This is a ivory jacket by American Widgeon. This company is known for their luxury faux fur linings on most of their coats. It is so soft and plush, the kids just don't even want to take it off. But it's really nice quality. This is kind of a cable knit wrap style jacket. It ties on the inside. Super soft and warm. Has a hood in the back with the same fur lining. And you can cuff the sleeves. I do find that this brand typically runs about a size big. This is a size 2, but it could easily fit a size 3 as well. But just really warm, really soft, really nice, cozy jacket. This is what it looks like.